3.5 Parallel lines and triangles. Number 1. If the measures of two angles of a triangle are 92 degrees and 23 degrees, what is the measure of the third angle? Well, in the triangle, the three interior angles add up to equal 180 degrees. So you got to add up 92 and 23 and subtract it from 180. Doing so gives you 65. And that is number 1. Going to number 3, again we add up the two angles and subtract it from 180. Since the three angles inside add up to 180, for this one it will give you 40. And that's number 3. Going to number 5, find the value of each variable in the figure to the right. So to find angle x, we need to add up these two and subtract from 180. Doing so gives you 83. X and y are vertical angles, so their values are the same, so y will also be 83. And that's number 5. Number 6. For the figure shown on the right, find the measure of angle 1. Now, this is an exterior angle, and these two angles are the remote interior angles to that one. So to find angle 1, just add up 61 and 60, and you get 121. And that's number 6. Number 7, for the figure shown on the right, find the measures of angle 3 and angle 4. For number 3, just add up the two numbers here because they're the remote interior angles. 40 plus 47 is 87. To find angle 4, we add up 40 and 47 and we subtract it from 180. Doing so gives you 93. And that's number 7. Going to number 9, for the figure shown on the right, find the value of the variable and the measures of the angles. So these three angles add up to 180 degrees. So we got to set up an equation, so let's do that. So we add all three of these up and set it equal to 180. So combine our like terms, we get 5x minus 5 equals 180. Then we add 5 to both sides, and then we divide by 5, and we get x is 37. But now we got to find the three angle measures. The first angle is x, so that's 37, but then we substitute 37 in for x to find the other two. So for 2x minus 15, we have 2 times 37 minus 15, which gives you 59, and then for 2x plus 10, 2 times 37 plus 10 gives you 84. So those are our three angles, so let's type them in. So x is 37, angle P is 59, and angle Q is 84. Angle R is the same as x, so that's 37. And that's number 9. Number 10. Find the measures of the angles labeled in the figure on the right. So we're going to take this piece by piece. The first one I noticed we can do is find B. This box means that the whole corner is 90 degrees, and a piece of that is 33. So to find B, I subtract 90 from 33, and that gives me 57. Now, I can find A, because 55 plus 57 plus A add up to 180. So add those two up and subtract from 180, and it gives me 68. Now the third one I can get is right here. These two form a linear pair, so it means they add up to 180. So 180 minus 55 gives you 125. You also could have used the exterior angle rule and just added up 57 and 68 to get the 125. The next one I'm going to get is D, because 125 plus 33 plus D give you 180. So adding these two up and subtracting from 180 gives me 22. Now finding E and this 90-degree box here are a linear pair and add up to 180. So subtract 180 from 90, and that'll give you 90 for E. Now we know what angles A, B, C, D, and E are, so let's type them in. So E, F, and D is angle E, so that's going to be 90. E, H, and F is C, and that's going to be 125. H, F, and G is angle B, and that's 57. Angle G is A, which is 68. And angle E, which is D, is going to be 22. And that's number 10.